Hello, we're group number 1, and we are going to talk about our final presentation project about installations. We need to know about the domestic water supply system, and we're going to know about more electric system too in this same project. First, we need a house description to know about how are we gonna use the different supplies that we need. This house has 2 floors, 5 people living there, 3 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 2 living rooms, 1 kitchen, and 1 laundry room. For the water supply system, we need some data. This data is the first with the water supply that we are going to need, the usage of the different elements, the normative data to know about the different values that we can use, the flow rate, the flow line, and the system usage. In this case, we are using a system or a lower tank. On the output data in the water supply system, we have the pipe dimension in inches. We have the total demand of the system, the pump that we are going to use, the charge losses, and the accessories. First, we have a drawing linear flow, and we can see the different nodes that we are going to use. The number of the nodes depend on how far is to the cistern. If the number is 1, it means that it's the farthest one. Continue. And we have here the result. First, we have the suction system when we have 2.2 MCA or meters per column water. We have the impulse system when we have a total of 10.55 MCA. And the data about the pumps is very important. Very important to know that we have 1.6 horsepower and we have a security factor of 1.15.
Okay, I will present the design of a residential wastewater system for a single family home. Then next, the system design of residential wastewater system is designed to handle the wastewater generated from the house, various bathroom, kitchen, and laundry area. Here is an overview of the system. This case we have the inspection box. The box 1 located to receive wastewater from the 3 bathroom on the upper floor. The box 2 receive wastewater from the lower floor, including the 2 bathrooms, the laundry area, and the kitchen. The design specifications, the inspection box handles 18 drainage fixture units, which corresponds to the total wastewater load from the upper floor bathrooms. The inspection box 2 handles 13 drainage fixture units covering the wastewater from the lower floors, bathroom, kitchen, and laundry. And next. Plans and layout. We have the tile plan showing the upper floor includes the layout of the bathroom and their respective fixtures, as well as planned and sectional views. Next. The lower floor displays the layout of the bathroom, kitchen, and laundry area along with their respective fixtures. Next. The dimensions of the inspection boxes are approximately 40 by 40 centimeters. The design meets all required parameters and standards for effective default water management. The next. Okay, finally, we have a length, estimate length 50 meters, including different pipes on all floors. Total is $553 in pipes. 563 inspection box, and total is $986. And here we have a drawing 3D of our wastewater system drainage. And thank you.
Next, I will tell you about our stormwater collecting system. Next. In the graph, we can identify where the rain will fall to classify areas and apply our design. Water is redirected with gutters to boxes with pipes that lead it to the public stormwater system. Next. For this, we use some normative parameters like the runoff or the rain intensity, and also about flow ratio, velocity, slope, and more. When we calculate, it's necessary that the values not exceed or be lower than the specified the normative. That is because we use a 3-inch diameter instead of 2. Next. With this, we calculate the estimate cost of the project. In the upper table, we see the materials used with their total price. In the lower table, the estimated total price for the stormwater collecting system is shown with a value of approximately $2,197.57.
Up next, I'm gonna talk about the electrical system in the house. First of all, we have the results of how many circuits we're gonna have and the demand in each of them. We have 4 lighting systems, 5 outlet ones, and five special ones, each with their respective demand and reduction factors, giving us a total of 16,819 watts of them. Here we have the results of the branches in the system. Each circuit has a breaker and with their specified value in gauge for the phase, neutral, and ground. We also have the feeder system that has the whole amperage of the house with their dimensions. We can see the one-line diagram of the breaker box in the feeder system with its responsive grounding. The first floor specifications of outlets and lighting, the second floor ones, and the estimated cost that between lights and the special installation in the feeder system comes to about $4,650. Thank you. And now we're going to talk about some experiences of this project.
Okay, I will tell you about my experience with this project. I'm really happy with the work done. I consider that I had a collaborative group and I was also able to learn and expand my knowledge about hydrosanitary and electrical design, complying with current regulation. In this way, I obtained a deep understanding of the different types of pipes and accessories to be used in a home, as well as the appropriate capacity of power cables. It was an experience full of challenge, but I went also with a lot of learning. Thank you.
I'm going to talk how this project could be used in our professional field. It has a lot of usage because as a civil engineer, we must design these type of things. Maybe not, it should not be our specialty, but we must know about this in order to properly create a house and design it to the maximum comfort of its inhabitants. So it's pretty useful as this is going to be some of our first work, probably. Thank you.
Well, did we know about this system in building before? In response to this question, I have realized that the residential wastewater system is analogous to the general wastewater collecting system used in cities. Thus, I was already familiar with the basic principles. However, applying this principle to the residential settings involves much more detail. This is what we have learned in this case. Thank you.
Thank you for your attention.